Let's be honest. Most people want massive change overnight. They want to hit the jackpot, land the big deal, or have some magical once-in-a-lifetime opportunity change their life. And when it doesn't happen in a week, a month, or even a year, they quit. That's why most people never see real wealth. Because real wealth, doesn't come from a single moment. It comes from compounding, not just in your bank account, but in yourself. Here's the brutal truth. If you're not growing, you're decaying. There's no such thing as standing still. Every single day, you're either improving yourself by 1%, or you're getting worse. And here's the part nobody likes to hear. If you improve just 1% a day in 1 year, you're not 365% better. Compounding doesn't work like that. It's exponential. After a year, you're 37 times better. But if you get 1% worse each day, after a year, you're almost at zero. That's why rich people stay rich, not because they had one big break, but because they stack tiny wins daily for years without stopping. Let me give you a real example. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men alive, didn't become a billionaire until he was in his 50s. Think about that. From his teenage years until middle age, he kept improving his knowledge, his patience, his decision-making, his discipline. Buffett reads over 500 pages a day, every single day, not because he's bored, but because he knows compounding knowledge is even more powerful than compounding money. People look at his wealth today and think, oh, I wish I had invested early like him. But that's not the secret. The secret is he kept learning, improving, and making better decisions for decades without stopping. That's the 1% rule in action. So, lady, to understand, the market pays for value, and value is built on skill, discipline, and knowledge. Those don't come from a weekend seminar. They come from showing up every single day. Your money compounds when you invest it. Your skills compound when you practice them. Your relationships compound when you nurture them. And your mindset compounds when you feed it the right thoughts. Every workout you skip, every book you don't read, every opportunity to practice that you ignore, you're killing your own compounding effect. And here's the cruel twist. You won't notice the damage today, but in 5 years, when someone else is living the life you wanted, you'll realize you lost it in those tiny, harmless decisions you made daily. Stop waiting for someday. If you can't commit to improving by 1% today, you'll never survive the next 10 years. People say, I'll start when I have more time. No, you won't. You think Buffett waited until he was rich to start reading? You think Elon Musk waited until he had billions to start learning rocket science? The 1% rule doesn't care about your mood, your excuses, or your comfort. It's either you do it or you stay exactly where you are. And let me warn you, if you stay where you are, you're actually falling behind because the world is moving forward. So here's my challenge to you. For the next 30 days, improve yourself by just 1% every single day. Read a few pages. Save a little money. Learn a new skill. Practice what you already know. It's boring, it's slow, it's not glamorous, but it's the formula every rich, successful person you admire has used. Because one day, 10 years from now, you'll look back and either thank yourself for starting today or curse yourself for wasting another decade. Compound yourself and watch everything else follow.